You know more than five tenses, you know what nevertheless means, and yet you freeze when someone asks a simple question in English. And that's why I want to give you something that can change everything. A 2 day plan, just 2 day, not 12 hours a day, not selling your soul to grammar books. Nope, just 30 minutes to an hour a day. But here's the trick, you have to do it with love. And when you repeat this little 2 day cycle over and over, it's like planting tiny seeds. And then one day you open your mouth and a whole beautiful English sentence comes out. And you're like, wait, did I just say that? So let's get into it. But first, you need the right material. This is like choosing shoes. If you wear a size 7 and you walk around in a size 10, you're gonna trip. If you're an A2 learner watching university lectures on astrophysics, in English, of course, you feel stuck. That's not your fault. That's just the wrong shoes. So, what's your level? If you don't know, I made a whole video on this, go check it out. I break it down step by step so you can find out your CEFR level. That's your starting line. Once you know your level, choose one audio source based on your level. Just one. Not 10, not 5, one. Maybe it's a listening exercise from Tactics for Listening or English File. Maybe it's a podcast with a transcript from the BBC Learning English. Or maybe it's an audio story from the British Council's Learn English platform. Whatever it is, make sure it matches your level. And if you're not sure where to start, I've got you. I'll share some authentic and completely free websites you can use for this 2 day plan on my Telegram channel. The link is in the description, and you can also find it in my bio. So don't forget to check it out. Now, let's dive into day one. You're not going to speak much today. You're going to listen. You're going to think. You're going to catch things your brain never noticed before. So, play the file. Pause, write what you hear, even if it's ugly, even if it takes you 15 minutes to do 2 minutes of audio, don't worry. You're doing brain gym and it's powerful. You'll notice contractions, weird intonation. Maybe you will hear a word you've known for years, but suddenly you're like, oh, that's how it sounds in real life. And then listen again, this time with the original text. Usually books or website have a transcript, so open it, listen again. Now, you'll see what you missed, and I promise you did miss things. We all do. That's normal. But this moment is where the magic starts. Your brain is connecting sound, spelling, meaning all at once. And then go back to your original notes and correct them. Circle your mistakes. They're showing you the exact areas you're growing. The next step. This is special because now you're going to choose what to remember. Set a limit. Let's say 10 things max. Don't try to memorize the whole text. That's overwhelming. Choose two types of things. New words or expressions and complex grammar you never noticed before. Maybe you saw I wish I had known, and you're like, what is that tense even called? And then highlight it. And here's a pro tip, add a little star next to the things you actually like. Maybe you heard expression, get on someone's nerves, and thought, oh, that's juicy, I want that in my vocabulary. In day two, okay, you've done the quiet work. Now it's time to talk, even if you're shy, even if your cat is the only audience, mine too sometimes. Someone once commented on one of my videos that they don't even have a cat or a dog. Okay, then your bathroom mirror is your new audience. It listens, it doesn't judge, and it's always there. Now, play the same audio. Choose a 30-second part to start with. Repeat after the speaker sentence by sentence. Try to match the tone, the speed, the emotion. If they sound tired, sound tired. If they sound excited, get excited. Don't just say the words, become the voice like an actor. This is how actors learn accents. It's how babies learn to speak. It's how you will become fluent. And step two, this is where your brain goes full power. Pretend that you're giving a class presentation. No one's watching, but imagine they are. Open your notes, think about what the audio said. Now, use your own words to say it out loud. Here's when your brain learning how to find the words in real time. It's hard at first, but every time you do it, it gets easier. And record your voice. Just do it. I know no one likes their own voice, but trust me, record it anyway. Then listen to yourself. You'll notice things like I said he go instead of he goes. I paused for 10 seconds because I couldn't remember a word. I sound like I'm falling asleep. Perfect. That's exactly the information you need. Next time, you'll do better. And don't be mean to yourself. Don't go, oh, I suck. Go, wow, I'm doing this. I'm really doing this because you are. So, you've done 2 days. You've listened, you've written, you've shadowed, you've spoken, and now comes the best part. Do it again and again and again. Keep using new audio files and also go back and repeat the same ones with more confidence. Every time you do this cycle, your ears get sharper, your mouth gets faster, your confidence grows, and people will ask you, how did you improve so fast? And you'll smile and you'll know it wasn't magic. It was 30 minutes a day, it was 2 days of care and effort, repeated with love. Before I go, let me tell you something that nobody told me when I started learning English in other languages. You don't need to be perfect. You don't even need to sound like a native. You just need to be you in English. So go and do day 1. And when you're ready, day 2. And then repeat because little by little, these days will stack up. Thank you so much for watching and spending time with me. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.